I am meteorologist Kyle Perez with the National Weather Service in Springfield, Missouri. This briefing will take a look at a winter storm that is on the horizon for Tuesday into Wednesday of this upcoming week. Accumulating snowfall is likely. Taking a look at the details of this winter storm on the horizon, the potential of greater than 2 inches of snowfall generally has the highest potential along and southeast of the Interstate 44 corridor. This is depicted by the areas in the orange and red shading, with medium to high potential for those areas. In general, accumulating snowfall and travel impacts are likely for much of the area. However, there is remaining uncertainties that still exist in the forecast at this time, and changes are likely to occur in the forecast over the next 24 to 48 hours as we fine-tune the forecast and the details. Taking a closer look at the winter travel impacts that are likely across the area, the top left-hand image here depicts the probability of minor impacts across the area. As you can see, a large swath of the area is in that anywhere from 60 to 70, even 80 to 90% probabilities of seeing minor impacts. As we move up into moderate impact category, on the bottom left-hand image, you can see that the probabilities drop off slightly. In general, the highest probabilities of moderate impacts are generally along and southeast of the Interstate 44 corridor, especially as you approach the Missouri and Arkansas state lines. As you can see on the right-hand side, the minor and moderate potential winter storm travel impacts are outlined. With regards to forecast confidence, there are still some remaining uncertainties. These include the exact storm track, the changeover timing of rain to snow, the exact snowfall amounts, and the areas of greatest impacts. These are details that will be worked out and fine-tuned over the next 24 to 48 hours. So what can you do now? This is the time to prepare your home, prepare your vehicle, and make sure you have a plan in place. Continue to monitor the forecast over the next several days. As for preparing your vehicle, here are some safety tips and some ideas for what to include in an emergency supply kit. That includes a first aid kit, flares, full tank of gas, extra blankets, a snow shovel and brush. Make sure you also have extra clothes in there in case you are stranded or stuck on the roadways. Lastly, I will leave you with our information to make sure to follow our forecast at weather.gov/Springfield or follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube at NWS Springfield. For NWS Springfield, I am meteorologist Kyle Perez.